everybody, I'm Andreea, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I style my hair to look like this. This is one of the most requested video that I get, especially ever since I got a haircut. And although my hair does not look very different than the way it used to, the technique is a little bit different in terms of the way I curl the hair. In this video, I'm going to show you also my favorite products, my favorite hair products. Also, if you like this makeup look, this has been my go-to makeup look in the last 2 weeks or so. This is my glam everyday makeup, but it's really quick and easy. I do this almost every morning. So if you want that, please leave me a comment and let me know. And I'd love to film this for you. Before we get started, don't forget to do all the good things. Subscribe to my channel and click on that ring bell button so you will be notified every time I'm posting a new video. And if you'd like to see how I am styling my hair to make it look like this, then please keep on watching. Okay, so this is how my hair looks like after I've washed it and I blow dry it. My hair is extremely annoyingly straight. I know a lot of people would be like, oh my god, you're so lucky. Well, just like curly haired women that want straight hair, I wish I had a little bit of a wave, or I don't know. But don't get me wrong, I'm extremely grateful. If there's anything about myself that I'm extremely happy about and very grateful that I have, that would be my hair. So first, I do want to mention that I am not a loyal person to one brand, shampoo or conditioner. I do love OUAI products in terms of styling, but when it comes to shampoo and conditioner, I am using so many because it's that kind of product that you can see results right away. So I like to have a lot of options. In my bathroom, you would find Aveda, OUAI, Oribe, Maria Nilla, Leonor, Greyl, Living Proof. But I do have one rule. I don't like to start a new product before I end something that I'm already using, unless that product is completely not working for me. Right now I'm using Aveda, the Volumizing shampoo and the Volumizing clear conditioner. This is from their Pure Abundance collection. Creates fullness for fine hair. This is exactly what I need. So I wouldn't say my hair is very fine, but it's somewhat fine. I'm the kind of person that never gets very greasy hair right here, but instead, it's very weird, it gets dry. I can get away without washing my hair a whole week. It does not look bad, but it becomes extremely dry, especially in here. So, and the hair stays like, it's like exploded, especially the ends. So I am basically applying this oil pretty much every day on my ends, just to make sure that it's nice and nourished. I'm in love with this brand, but especially with these two products. I would say it is my current favorite shampoo and conditioner. While my hair is still wet, so right after I take it out of that towel, I like to apply this Serum Sublimateur from Leonor Greyl. It says it's detangling, smoothing, protective, and nourishing styling serum. I use a lot of this now. I use about 5 to 6 pumps, but the pumps are not too, like, let me show you. This is one pump. After I use this, I like to use a volume spray. Now, I have a few that I'm using to give my hair a little bit of texture and thickness. Right now, like today, I've used this one from OUAI. This is the volume spray. And Alex says that every time I'm using this, he's like, what did you use? It smells so good. I spray it on my wet hair. What it does, it just gives me volume and a little bit of texture. Now let's start with the curling situation. I'm using this curling iron. I probably have this for about 6 years and I still use it. This is Wella Professionals, and then it's a Pro Curl Color. Basically, I sectioned my hair. So I would start from here. I will just put my hair up like this. And now we can start. I take my curling iron. Plan is in front. I twist it back until I have like these two pieces of hair like this. Then I twist it and it should look like this. In here, this hook, I keep it in the back like this. I twist it. I make sure between the two sections in here, there is a little bit of a space. I release the first one, then I pull it a little bit like this. And it should look something like this. Can you see the white one? Did you spot it? Me too. Clamp down, twist, a little bit of space in here. I release that first one, then I drag it basically down like this, and down. Release the first one, pull a little bit, and then taking another piece of hair. You see the space? Release, pull, away from the face. I always do this away from the face. Okay, twist. I don't give that much love to smaller pieces, like the back pieces that are about this size. So I would just take one, twist it, and then release. I bring all the hair back like so, and I release another section of hair. I take a piece about this size. This hook is always in the front on this side, on my left side. I twist it twice so that I have two pieces of hair like this. I release the first one, then I drag a little bit like this. Hold it, release. Ta-da! Ah, this side is done. Let's take care of this side now. It's more like a bend. It's not really a curl. As you've seen me all the time, I like those very effortless curls. Now with this part of the hair, I would probably want to do it like so. I take my bangs, I come from above, okay? And then this is what I do. I twist it. It looks very weird right now, but I promise you it's gonna look better. I will take another section of hair and I will basically do the same thing as with the rest. Okay, I know that right now my hair looks like crazy and I just realized something horrible. I forgot to show you this. This is called Memory Mist and it's a heat protectant. So not only that's a heat protectant, but it's also helping the hair memorizing the shape that you give it. Ah! So this is supposed to be applied on your dry hair. I had it right here. So now you have to let your hair cool. Do not touch it if it's still warm. So now I'm going to use this Bumble Thickening Dryspun finish. I normally use the texturizing hairspray from OUAI, but I have nothing left. So this is a good option. Now I'm going to leave my hair down like this and just spray throughout the hair. This is going to give your hair fullness, texture. Okay. I like to give it a little bit of a shake, like so. And then what I always like to use is this finishing cream from OUAI. I use about this amount. It just gives them definition. And then I really like to put this side of my hair to the back of my ear. It doesn't really bother me, those frizzy hairs in here. And voila! This is it, guys. This is the way I style my shorter hair. I am thinking about getting a little bit shorter, but I don't know, I'm a little bit scared. What do you guys think? Should I get shorter or should I let it grow again? Please comment and let me know, what do you think I should do? Should I cut it a little bit shorter like this or should I let it grow? I'm pretty good with this length. It's very easy to wash it, to dry it, and then to style it really fast. And although I did buy a ton of hair extensions, I never really applied them. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I can't wait to read your comments. Please give this video a thumbs up if you really enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are not part of the family yet. What are you waiting for? Subscribe and then click on that ring bell button so you will be notified every time I'm posting a new video. You can also follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Facebook. I'm very active on Instagram and Insta stories especially.
Andrea, what are the jeans known for?
My love don't cost a thing.
So go check that out. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!